Hi, this is Grace from WTI. I wanted to share with you another one of my favorite products from Biossance, the Squalane and Copper Peptide Serum. This one gives you an instant, just hydrating, plumping feeling on your skin. This Rapid Plumping Serum has copper peptides, which support collagen production in your skin and also offers immediate and lasting hydration. This serum is a beautiful and luxurious blue silky serum that's non-sticky and it easily glides on the skin. One thing that makes this copper peptide serum superior than others is that the hyaluronic acid used helps not only absorb the moisture but maintain it. It can also be used in the day or in the nighttime. Although you can see instant results, I've also been able to see a reduction of fine lines and wrinkles over time. I hope you love this product just as much as I do, but that's just my point of view.